Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kushi Kotak and I'm here to make you all smile, inspire and entertain, and it would really mean the world to me if you just hit a like to this particular video and subscribe to my channel. And if you watch the video till the end, तो सबसे best हो जाएगा because we also have a giveaway arranged for you guys, and this video is really special because we are organizing. Today is actually Sunday. I don't know when this video is going to be uploaded, so I cannot reveal the dates and all, but today is Sunday. आज ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो 11 बजे अपलोड हुआ था यूट्यूब चैनल पे, विच यू शुड ऑल्सो वॉच. नहीं तो मैं लिंक मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. बट आज एक यूट्यूब वीडियो अपलोड हुआ था एंड नाउ आई एम बैक होम. दिस इज थ्रिफ्ट बुक्स वाला घर एंड दिस इज जस्ट नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. लाइक मैं बहुत टाइम से प्रोक्रास्टिनेट कर रही थी एंड बहुत कुछ सामान इधर उधर पड़ा एंड आई एम समवन जिस हु हैज़ OCD. सो आई डोंट नो वाई कि मैंने वो जो इतने दिन तक सब सामान इधर उधर पड़ा हुआ था या मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं किया. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर मी टू नॉट डू दैट? बट एनी विच वेज वी आर नेवर टू लेट. इसीलिए आज मैंने ठान लिया. आज मैं घर पे आई एंड आई सॉ कि सब सामान इधर उधर पड़ा है एंड मेरे को कोई मन ही नहीं हो रहा काम करने का. तो आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू क्लीन माई हाउस एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज. लाइक एज यू ऑल कैन सी, आई जस्ट रियलाइज्ड कि पीछे मेरे एक स्लिंग बैग है और एक पर्स है. वो एक्चुअली गीले हो गए थे तो मैंने वो सुखाने के लिए रखे थे, फिर वो मुझे वापस अंदर रखने थे, बट आई कुडंट. सो now you get my point, right? So in this video I'm going to be organizing and cleaning my house, and I thought that while I'm doing that I can also record and it might be fun for you all to watch, and even I'll enjoy doing the process. So it's a win-win situation for both of us. So please watch the video till the end and also make sure that you participate in this week's giveaway as well. And also every time I forget to add this, that प्रीवियस वीक का जो गिव अवे था उसका रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर किया गया है इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, सो प्लीज चेक दैट आउट. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो. नाउ दैट यू ऑल हैव सीन के मेरे पर्सेस एंड स्लिंग बैग्स वहाँ पे रखे थे, सो लेट्स बिगिन टुडेज वीडियो बाय picking that up and putting it in the exact location. So मैंने वो वहाँ से ले लिए हैं, but this clock right here shows different time only, like 6-8 घंटे पहले का टाइम है ये. Like it's 9:05 apparently in this clock, whereas it is दोपहर के 3 बजे हुए. So it's 6 घंटा पीछे. I have to do this जो मैं procrastinate कर रही थी, but now I guess it's the time to do the changes, and I hope मैं ये कर पाऊँ because it's not working. I'm trying. It's still not working. This is the exact time. Now it's showing the correct time. And now let's keep these bags uski jagah pe. So we have this shelf here which has all my sling bags and all of that. So let's keep it here. That's me. This is bedroom number 2. This is very small and cute. You can see it. This are my babies. And मैं यहाँ पे उनको हमेशा रखती हूँ. And you know this great wall जहाँ पे मैं बैठ के शूट करती हूँ, it's this wall. And this is the second bed. फिलहाल वहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे वो रखा है, but can you look at that? These are all the things that I love and I have used it to decorate it. So one of the biggest situation that we have, it's this area. Like मैंने यहाँ पे बैठ के भी shoot किया. So these are all the books that I have for packing, some stocks, some giveaways and all of that. This is all the packing materials that we need. Then this is the stock, and we have this pile of clothes that I need to organize. So let's begin with doing this. It was not that interesting to show you all कि मैंने कपड़ों की घड़ी कैसे की, so I shot it on time lapse. But after cleaning, this is how my room looks. So one of the major tasks of today's video was to clean this area. This is my living room, and this is the main area that I want to clean from the longest of time that I can remember, because bedroom में इतना कुछ नहीं था, थोड़ा बहुत था, मैंने वो कर लिया. But यहाँ पे जो आप ये सेक्शन देख रहे हो ना बुक्स का, वो सारी बुक्स है जो थोड़ी बहुत स्टॉक में पड़ी है, या थोड़ी बहुत गिव अवेज के लिए अरेंज की है, या सम ऑफ द ऑथर्स दैट हैव सेंट मी दीज बुक्स फॉर द प्रमोशंस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई वांट टू क्लीन अप दिस एरिया, बिकॉज जो भी मेरा आता है स्टॉक, वो ये सब में मैं वैसे ही मिक्स नहीं करती हूँ. सो व्हाई नॉट यूज दिस सेक्शन जहाँ मैं बैठी हूँ for all of my materials and stock and all of that, and let's clean this area so that at least I can like put up the cushion or sofa, like sofa ka gaddi or something in one area, and I can use at least that area. Because मैं ना अगर bedroom में बैठ के काम करती हूँ ना, तो आई फील रोली लेजी, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. लाइक मुझे जैसे ही बेड पे बैठ के काम करने का मन होता है ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं यार लेट जाऊँ, थोड़ी देर सो जाऊँ, या फिर ठीक है कल कर लेंगे. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है. एंड आई एम जेन्युइनली लाइक स्टक इन दैट क्रिएटिविटी ब्लॉक, कि मुझे वो क्रिएटिवनेस नहीं आ रहा है. एंड आई वॉन्ट टू क्लीन एवरीथिंग, एंड आई नो दैट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट, and I want to just clean this area. So let me just keep the books that are needed here, and all of the other things need to be cleaned. So let's do that. Dude, can you all see the pasina that I have got? Even though you all saw all this change in few seconds because of time lapse, it genuinely took me half an hour to do all of this and lots of pasinas. So let me clean my face a bit and let me show you what is the current situation. So I have used this section for bed so that I can sleep here at times that I want, and this is how this section looks. I have cleaned some of the books. The books that you can see here are for giveaway winners and some that needs to be sold and all of that. And this is how it looks. And yeah, that's my other room that I had shown you, and this is how it looks. So I'm well organized as of yet. This brings us to the end of this particular video. I genuinely enjoyed doing this because I had you guys with me, and I hope you all enjoyed watching me doing that. And that's all I have for this particular video talking about giveaway. If you want to participate in this week's giveaway and get a chance of winning books of worth up to ₹2000 for absolutely free, all you have to do is like this particular video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, link to which is in the bio. Not bio, it is in the description box. Otherwise it is thrift_.books on Instagram, and you have to comment us and let us know what are the kinds of videos that you would like to see on our channel, and also let us know that you have followed all the steps. Just by doing that, you get a chance of winning books of worth up to rupees 2000 for absolutely free. And we have giveaway arranged for you guys on each and every video that we post on YouTube, so make sure that you are participating. And thank you so much for watching the video till here. If you're still watching, just know that you have already made my day. And that's all I have for this particular video. I am drenching in sweat, so I need to just go and have a bath, but I will see you very soon the next time. But until then, please take care and bye bye.